If there's one sector that continues to see extraordinary growth during these unprecedented times, it is education. Adding on to the list of phenomenal edtech fundraisers this year, Unacademy has now raised an undisclosed amount of funding from Tiger Global Management as well as the Dragoneer Investment Group. Let's do a three-point analysis of how the funding in tech space is actually hotting up. 1. Unacademy raises fresh funds at $2 billion valuation. Well, the EdTech unicorn has raised $150 million in September in a funding round led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2, trebling its valuation to $1.45 billion in a span of 6 months, making it the second most valued edtech startup after Byju's. Now, it has now raised funds from the US-based Tiger Global Management and Dragoneer Investment Group, with which the valuation has now soared to $2 billion. Now, there is speculation that the funding could be of about $60 to $80 million. Gaurav Munjal, who is the co-founder and CEO of Unacademy, has said in a statement that our mission from day one has been to democratize education and to make it more accessible, more affordable. Now, he also says that they have consistently built the most iconic products that deliver high-quality education to everyone. Now, Unacademy offers test preparation classes from civil services and banking exams to program languages as well. It has over 47,000 educators teaching in over 14 Indian languages and users across 5,000 cities as well. 2. EdTech startup funding heats up. Well, the pandemic has really accelerated the pace of fundraising and growth of the EdTech startups as educational institutions and offline classes were disrupted in this pandemic and learning had moved online. Now, both the global as well as domestic investors continue to bet big on such companies, fueling their valuations. Now, before this, EdTech decacorn Byju's reportedly also raised about $200 million in a fresh funding round from PE players BlackRock and T. Rowe Price, which elevated the valuation of it to above $12 billion. With this investment, Byju's has now raised more than $2.3 billion from investors in 18 funding options so far. Now, EdTech startup Yellow Class has also raised $1.3 million in a pre-series A round led by India Quotient. In fact, about 20 startups have also raised funding since March 2020 as online education has seen a massive boom in India. 3. Is EdTech space likely to see more action from here on? Well, since the end of March, the online education and e-learning platforms have seen astonishing adoption and exponential growth as well. Now, a KPMG report has said that even in a challenging environment like this, EdTech is expected to remain a very hot sector of VC investment. The rapidly rising graph of the EdTech sector has seen an increased interest from investors all across. Now, a report by BARC India and Nielsen also reveals that there has been a 30% increase in the time spent on education apps on smartphones since the beginning of the lockdown. And not just funding, even mergers and acquisitions in this space are likely to be in big action as the competition really picks up. EdTech platform Upgrad recently announced this week that it has fully acquired the GATE Academy, adding that this was one of the first of many M&As to follow. Experts now foresee India emerging as the teaching capital of the world.